Mic check. Should work now. Okay.
Like that. Hello.
All right, we got our flag here. The souls are collected. What were you, long, Andrew? Free market, I guess. All right, finding some balance here. Gold. I had a little bit of a short here. I opened before, got out. Little profit. So what we're doing here is we're waiting for the liquidity sweep. It probably took the London lows around 3. Comes down, we got a warning flag that the souls are collected. We are now waiting for our rocket symbols, meaning a reversal to the upside, and then we'll wait for a higher low, and then we will enter the moon. I don't believe there is much news today at all. Tomorrow we have better news. Today we don't have shit. So we'll just have to pay attention to random speakers, I think, today. Week, I just saw your message on Discord. What'd you do? You shorted that this morning? This looks bullish. Larger 61% pullback into the order block here. Unless it's gonna do a bear flag. Yeah, Monday mornings pre-market are usually a little hard to trade. If we really want to sweep, which would be awesome for us. The better, the more sweeps, the better. There's not going to be any meat on this, is there? No news that it's waiting for. Literally, the next scheduled news is 11:30 for U.S. 6-month bill high yield, which is really nothing. Tonight at 7:30 is the RBA meeting. It does go long here. We have potential to actually hit up here. Gold's got the cluster now. Braid sinker, but let me send you the
Tesla share today record high, last up 2.5%.
All right, if this short sticks, then I'm gonna short it.
So a draft Pentagon report says that China likely loaded over 100 intercontinental ballistic missiles over 3 silo fields.
Dan, what the hell did I just miss? What did he say? That should give you the discount. Let me know for trade sinker. If this sticks, I'm gonna get in. Got 2 seconds left, and it's on the cloud too, so I'm gonna get in. Stop loss is above the cloud. So going short. Nothing too crazy, because it did kind of go sideways here. So if we're wrong, I don't want to get murdered. But we have our stop loss, so it's... Because it seems like from the morning time, about 140 point move, so I really don't want to go too high. Especially in that kind of market condition. I mean, in 10 minutes, we've moved 140 points.
Some more detail on this draft
that you?
Pentagon report then. China is likely to have loaded more than 100 intercontinental ballistic missiles across 3 silo field and has no desire for arms control talks, according to again a draft Pentagon report which highlighted Beijing's growing military ambitions. China is expanding and modernizing its weapons stockpile faster than any other nuclear-armed power. Beijing has described reports of a military buildup as efforts to smear and defame China and deliberately mislead the international community.
Not good. China's playing the long game.
User 61. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Is it gonna go down or what? I gotta make this bigger. Oh my god, this thing is so annoying. Go down. I think it's gonna knock us out. Come on, fall.
The S&P 500 materials sector hits a 3-month high, last up spot 7%.
All right, we got our shift here. Waiting for the higher low. Hopefully it comes back down and gets us out though, so but if it doesn't, it doesn't.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump.
Alright, it knocked me out.
Markets. If
Daddy?
you're a real
Is that you?
This is already gonna be a fucking bitch, isn't it? I'm already annoyed by the way it's moving.
Voila! Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, Maverick, it's usually okay in the beginning. I think it wants to 760s. Thanks for the hearts. Hoping to pull back here. feeling we're not gonna get it. I'm gonna put a buy order above this previous candle high. If it breaks that, then we'll get in. I'm hoping for a little bit of a pullback into this order block. No, I'm on MNQ. If you ever just come on my screen and you want to know what I'm looking at, look at the back of the chart. And gold's kind of going sideways, so I'm staying away from it. All right, I'm going to get in. I'm in 2. Looking for 758s.
So a White House official says that Trump and Secretary of War Hegseth are to make a shipbuilding announcement today. So keep in mind they were scheduled to make an announcement tonight. That's at around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Just reports from the White House saying that this is going to be on shipbuilding.
What's up, V-Trades? That link I gave you should have it. I didn't get the code yet. They're still processing me, I think. Let me just double check. Let me see. You want me to send it in Discord here for you to click on? I'm trading for the year. I sent it in Discord too, if you want to click on that for the promo. Well, it says manage your referral links for different platforms. I think that's it. I can't get the promo code one until they accept me. Let's see if they email me back. I don't know. Damn, we did. All right. Let me look up the one I used. You should watch this video anyway. I'm gonna send you. EAVT. That's the code I use. Some YouTube guys, YT. I'm gonna share this video too. You have to watch this to use it. I know it's boring and annoying, but you should watch it. Because there is some things that you need to set up, but it's super easy, but you don't want to miss it. Texas Brown, thanks for the flower. What, trade sinker? I get denied a lot. I guess I'm not big enough. Just enjoy the holidays. From the market open, this range has been 100 points so far. Low volume. I'm big in your heart. Thank you. Bro, go up there. Get me out. I actually might be able to hold this a little bit until the candle turn colors. Let's see. We'll keep one out. Why is this different now? Because it's kind of like my buy strategy, so I'll hold it into it until it turns colors. I'm surprised you're not trading V trades. I feel like I haven't traded this much this month, period. Gold's very choppy, very choppy. And we are inside the orb here. Yeah, last week was hard. We traded very small last week. I mean, we were profitable, but
The Russell 2000 index up 1 spot to 1%.
it wasn't much. It was like 100 here, 100 there. Still green though, baby. Yeah, China is loading on weapons right now. I'm holding this until the candles turn colors. Orange, which is oversold, and yellowish gold is extreme over. Well, actually overbought in this direction. Sorry. I lost a ban on Friday. Too much betting on Jake. Oh my god. Yeah, that Jake fight was crazy. I mean, we all know that this is really what should happen with Tyson and him, but I guess the other guy didn't care this time. And you knew those blows hurt, bro. Did you see his jaw? His jaw was fucking broken. His teeth were inside his fucking tongue. Man. Not good anymore. See, hopefully it goes back up. If this doesn't go up the way that we want, then that means this market might be choppy for a bit. Oh, yeah. Probably made fucking 100 million or more. What? 350 million each? Holy fuck. Yeah, I guess I'll break my jaw for that much. I'll break my jaw. 350.
Daddy? Is that you?
I'm going crazy, 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 just thinking about you lately.
Crazy welcome. Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
Now that that did that, I want to take first one out at the 760s. I mean, we have another fucking order block here too, so it's like, is it gonna ping pong back and forth? I don't know. I mean, what we have going for us, it went down below, the VWAP came back up, and now it's bouncing off the VWAP. So hopefully it goes back in a direction here that we want. The reason why we got in was the souls were collected. Got our rocket shift. We did not get our fair value gap one because it's too big. It's going to be... We can't trade that one. But it does reduce the size and risk here. We were aiming, usually we aim for the 150 EMA, but we're way past that. We're above. I was hoping for it to come up into this order block up here. And we were really like a quarter point away. Maybe once this order block too. That's the thing that sucks. Okay, we're right back into it. We did get the X of death here, meaning that it lost the momentum. We are in the middle of the orb again, just like the last 2 days. Well, last week. Alpha feature fucking spams a lot of emails. Jesus. I'm trying to get a code with it. I'm just trying to get a code with like everybody in case you guys want it. But right now I'm just using Apex, I think is the best. And honestly, Lucid is really fucking good right now. I wish they offered a little bit more money, but I'm okay with it. It's almost like a top step, but cheaper. Yeah, we're right into this volumized order block down here. Almost into it. Problem is we have a cluster of these order blocks all over the place. Did I just text you on WhatsApp? Absolutely not. I don't message anybody. And I don't have WhatsApp. The only thing I have is Discord. Yeah, do not. I repeat. I will never message you first. There's a lot of people that impersonate me. That means I made it. Sometimes, every once in a while, I like to scream, "Mom, I made it!" What are they asking you? Yogurt! Really? Just trade stuff? They didn't ask you for money yet? Some of them will message you guys and be like, "Hey, I'm the real deal. Please block me so you can only follow the real guy." I'm like, "Oh my god." Crazy. The sad part is not you specifically, but there's a lot of people that will actually send money. um Then $1 V trades. Big boy, you should agree to them. Let them give you some signals and see if they're right. Yogurt on YT said I had to block 3 impersonators. I think I accidentally blocked you 2 once. Oh no. Yeah, there's a lot of them. There's a full entire TikTok. I don't know how they're doing it, but it's literally every single video I have. Every single one. It looks identical except for like one period. I don't have any I don't actually have a Discord signal. I only have a like if you want to purchase my indicators. So you still have to do it yourself. And that's one reason why I don't have the signals, is I'm like, I think they're just gonna fucking scam it. Oh man, this isn't looking too great. Maverick. You're funny. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I tried to push those messages out to warn you guys, but it just gets overwhelming with all the scammers. I don't know what the fuck he just said. What? Oos? There's a lot of clutter right here. I could delete this now. I hope this holds, or else this trade is good. Oh, I'm sorry. Oos, do you make more money than me? Do you make more money than me? Everybody has a different strategy. You're blue whale? Ah, shit. Damn it. I'm not forcing you to trade my style. Right now, it looks like a lot, because the price is so cluttered right now. Wow. Thanks, V. That's very kind of you. Very kind of your assistance to others that need help. Totally up to you, big boy. I just offer them to you. And make sure you've been here for a while, so you've been watching. Anybody that wants to join my VIP and get the indicators, just make sure you stay and watch for a little bit to make sure that you understand what's going on. You're long now? We're in an order black, buddy, but it might want to come down and grab. I'm like, do I close this or not? We're about to find out. We were in profit right here. I wanted to hold it into this order block. I'm wondering the spread actually touched it. I hate when that shit happens and then it reversed down. But we
Daddy?
are starting to
Is
go
that
sideways here, so it's indicating that we might want to go up. Oh, thank you. That was very kind of you to say. Thank you.
New Trader Road, welcome to the motherfucking door, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Kind of want to add one more. Don't know if it wants to continue higher than this. Let's see. So I'm in 3 total. And that'll be it for this trade. If we lose, then we'll have to look for a different entry here. Gold's dumping a bit. But we need just to rip out of this order block here. Top Step Michael Hawk is on YT to speak. Dude, they're getting hammered with bad reviews right now on Top Step. There was 18% of this block left, so that was pretty good. You want to take some of this out. Probably right around this blue line here. Gotta get through VWAP. You gotta get through this. Try to take first profits faster. Oos. I'm sorry. I'm all here for I like people's trading strategy, but I've been trading a long time. If you take profit too fast, then you're not gonna be able to fucking. Your risk to reward is not gonna be the great. There's our fair value gap. Better late than never. Eh. V, you make me feel so old, bro.
The French 10-year yield climbs to around 3.632%. It's its highest since 2011.
Gotta get through this. Trying to go for this blue line here. I understand that, Oos. I have a strategy that makes me go against this.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go.
This can become a loser, period. Why not double your age? Wait, you're 18. There. Oh, I am. Fuck. Holy fuck. Am I that old? Fuck. Oh yeah, Robinhood. First off, I fucking hate Robinhood. What they did to AMC and GameStop. Those bastards. I was up so much money on that AMC shit. And I didn't take profit. Ooh, see you too. Enjoy your trading day. Yes, when they froze trading and said everything was normal. That's when we knew who was in bed with who. And then the government came by and looked at it and said, small glitch, just pay us 400 million. Small glitch. You know, you only saved yourself bankruptcy and about $30 billion or more. Well, actually, the hedge fund that we were going after was down like 300 billion or some shit. Something crazy. Because I wasn't even trying to trade with the crowd. I was trying to trade off of the numbers that were there. And they did not have the shares at all. So I was like, this is really actually going to go. So I got in. Nope. Us peasants lost that battle. I have some GameStop, but nothing crazy. Come on, we're above fucking VWAP. Rip up. It is if you're in early. Towards the end is when everybody gets fucking walloped. So sometimes it's good to get in the beginning and then get out about like 75% where you think it's gonna go, and then you get out. But yeah, on paper it looked like it was going to the moon. Come on. Gotta get through this. Oh man, I've been rugged a lot of times. Guess you get a certain amount of rug burn, you'll... Wow, that sounds really awful to say. You know where I'm going with it though. That was the non-GAY thing I've said. This thing sucks. Need a higher... Oh, higher low did print. This higher low can't hold and we're done probably. Yeah, Tweak, this is balls. Even if I can get out 2 here, I'll shut my mouth. It's been like this all like
Daddy?
last week
Is
too.
that you?
Satisfaction.
Daddy? Is that you?
Welcome to the Soul Daddy. AUBTC, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Value Sensei. Value Sensei.
Yeah, last week was trash. I think I only made like... I was like spinning my wheels. I think I made like $400 in each account last week. Let me check. Yeah, like $300. I didn't lose, but you know, I just was just spinning my wheels. I was trying to be more picky too. Just got to get past this zone here. This is the 61% area, this blue one, on a larger time frame, on a larger pullback. You can see that we kind of like fought in this area. Still got another higher low here. This is great. This is good. $174 people in here. Hit that motherfucking follow button. Yeah, usually the first 2 days of the week of Christmas week is usually okay to trade. But I feel like there's just a lot of whack, weird stuff going on in the world. Like, even today's news, like, nobody's really thinking about it, but China is going to outgrow us in military. And if you look at the past history of China, they still have that base of thinking. They will try to take over. History repeats, just in different ways. So even like news like that, we're not even thinking about it, but it's changing the course of what we're going to be doing. I mean, you have our own government fighting our own people for policies. I mean, they're literally trying to block tariffs, which is benefiting us as a country, period. Yes, there is some growing pains, but in the long run, this is very good for our economy, but they don't tell you that stuff in the news. You have to do it now or else we're fucked. We're fucked. A lot of people don't understand that with money. And that's why a lot of people are poor. Poor! Are you poor? Man. Poor.
Daddy, chill.
Alright. One last one. Poor. This is not gold. This is the NASDAQ futures. Gold's over here, and it's still going sideways also. Big boy, I know crypto a lot, and I'm not going to lie. I am confused this cycle. NQ is bearish. Yes and no. Is it? Because really it just hit this 5-minute order block and we could rip up, back up. So I'm not too sure on that theory there. I'm gonna just go with more sideways on a smaller time frame. Yeah, I know crypto pretty well, but I'm a little lost in our cycle here. I'm thinking that we're in a wave 4. A wave 4 on Elliott waves. I do not recommend you to study Elliott waves because you'll go crazy. I went crazy studying Elliott waves for like a year and a half. It does predict movement in the future, longer term. But usually, when you're confused on what's going on in life, most likely you're in a wave 4. I hope it's bullish still. Man, we need a higher low. So it's fighting this other micro 5-minute order block. Yeah, I'm definitely in very low. Like, I'm still up a lot of money, but I would like to be a couple $100,000 richer. Josh, you can if you want to. It's a little bit choppy though. A little choppy. Yeah, I got Bitcoin around 6,000, give or take here and there. And then heavily into Crow right now, but we got a little spike to 40 cents on Crow, but it didn't hold. Fuck, is this gonna sweep the bottom here? What the fuck does this want, man? XRP 30 cents. I tried to buy it at 4 cents. I didn't get it. This isn't too good. This is not holding at all. I really need this to fucking bounce up here. I'm gonna say they can't hold 661s, and unfortunately we have to close this. Or would that be the sweep? I don't know. Yeah, I'm hoping that Rich. Also, the orb bottom was there. Rejection. If we could break this high, that'd be sweet. Prior candle high, 689s. Yeah, I just put my 631. Where am I? 631s. I can't hold that one. I don't know if I can hold down there. Rich, I kind of was, but the way the price is moving, I'm not liking it too much. I mean, that's my ultimate spot there, Nico. Dumb, you're wrong, but I don't know. This market hurts. Like every time it goes up, it gets fucking smacked in the face. Break it! Move up! Gold doing? Hey, there, gold's ripping up, you fucker. Why can't you do it, NASDAQ? Why can't you go up? I'm gonna get fucking knocked out right now. Ugh. God, fucking market sucks dick, dude. Extra underscores? Yeah, some of them have periods, and it's like the slightest change. don't even know what other lows to target here. Go to the 5. I don't know what I'm looking for here. I mean, I know what I'm looking for, but there's nothing until like fuck down here.
Daddy? Is that you?
Yeah, higher time frame is definitely better. Ooh, 1 minute's got that short.
Whatever your name is, welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
Sorry, I can't pronounce it. It's got, yeah, how do these guys get 4K followers? They gotta be bots. 600? Oof, you think it'll fill it, huh? Still think it's sideways, Rich. We barely just broke the orb now. When it starts going down more, then I'll get in. No, I don't have a strategy. I just blindly trade. Alright, I kind of like in this short here if it goes below. This will be a bear flag. But it needs to break below. Makes sense why you're in drawdown? Yeah, so much. I probably make more than your family, just so you know. Don't want to jump in too soon on this. There's really no next order block here. Let's do a Fibonacci extension. We're at the 1-to-1 ratio right now. If it does break down, then we're probably going to go down to 601s. And that's what you were saying, Nico, right? That gap. It'll bother me. I'm used to it now. Problem is the chopness. It won't decide on exactly where it wants to go here. Hoping down. Come on! Man. Close above the cloud, I'll be out. And then we have to sit in our hands because it's obviously still trying to decide on what it wants to do. This is the orb low here. I'm gonna take this out. I already have it marked off, so I'm okay with deleting the extension.
US September to October housing starts report rescheduled for January 9th. So again, that's the September to October housing starts report rescheduled for January 9th.
Why do they keep rescheduling all this shit? Man, why does it keep doing? Don't go back up in here. If it stays up here, we're fucked, and we're just gonna have to sit on our hands.
And the US September to October new home sales report is rescheduled to January 13th.
Brain feels right now. And gold's so much easier to trade right now. I have to go to gold. And that's wild that I'm saying that gold is. What's going on in the world? Five seconds left of the 5 minute. It's like, do you wait? It's like, do you wait until it comes up here and then rejects? Look at 20 points. But then this OB is going to be broken. Roy, I am, but the market's very choppy for me right now. Four. All right, gold flag. Gonna keep an eye on that. I will be looking for a short on gold. I'm hoping NASDAQ just fucking rips down. Gets me the fuck out of this trade. I mean, we got another micro order block here. Still got 3 minutes left. Okay, we're denying it, so like, come on, let's go down. One minute and 50 seconds left. Okay, gold still wants to continue up a little bit, which I'm okay with. But as soon as we get one of those anchors, we're gonna switch to gold. Ivy. If I don't talk to you, have a good holidays. I'll be on the next 2 days though. I don't know if I'll be on Friday. We'll see. At least like just in the morning time, but it might just be dead, so it might not be worth it to even risk money. Fucking Apple, Mr. Dad? Yeah, it's the only one that's really up. Microsoft's up too a little bit. Seems like more flat market. This is bearish right here. Come on. Break this low and we good.
The US November retail sales report has been rescheduled to January 14th.
I want to add one more. This. And then I'm done. Might have to trade on the 5 today because it's so choppy. One-to-one ratio, it needs to break that. Decent ones or not. Hey. See, it's so weird because it comes down, it's respecting the fair value gap. It breaks below, and it's just not going down now. So it's like almost opposite of what it's indicating the entire day so far. I mean, there's an order block here. But I'm going to pay attention to the 5 for a little bit. I want to see on how it reacts. Gold still looks like it wants to rip up, huh? But it's already 1050 with no movement. I don't really trust it as much.
Daddy? Is that you?
Moss, welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, NASDAQ? Got 160 people in here. Hit that motherfucking follow button. Join the Bully Bears army. I know it looks rough right now, but we'll turn it around. We'll turn it around nice and slow. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta trade smaller until it gets better. But it's really not doing anything correct today. It's barely respecting even the order blocks. It's really weird. Don't like this high or low, but we have a lower high too. So this is gonna pick and choose which way it wants to go eventually here. I mean, I'm hoping down. It's literally broke the structure to the downside. Maverick says low volume invites a lot of games. Yes. Grr. Crazy. I said, look, if it breaks this, we're good. It breaks it and then just fucking wicks back up on both candles. This might not be good. Still respecting that fair value gap. Got 2 minutes left. Problem is, it's just not the momentum. It's really, really off. These are one of those ones you're like, fuck, I want to hold it to see if it goes to the spot and reverses, but it's going to hurt if I'm wrong. That's where I'm stuck right now. So, like, if it rips up to here to, like, 700s and then it falls, sweet. If it doesn't and continues, then it's going to hurt me pretty bad. Need that structure to be broken there. Maybe we're looking for structural breaks instead today. Sweet hammer too, like just fall. $30 seconds left in this candle. If it breaks a low again and it doesn't continue down, then this market is fucked. All right. Still waiting on gold. Four seconds left on the NASDAQ.
Daddy? Is that you?
Anna, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
It calls above this. Doesn't give us a rocket.
Alphabet to acquire Intersect for $4.75 billion cash plus debt.
Who are they buying?
Intersect's OPS will remain separate from Alphabet and Google.
Intersect. Buying up companies that are losing. Maybe it's more like that.
Daddy? Is that you?
Mayla, welcome. Holy Bears Trading.
Well, hello, everybody. This is
Daddy,
Donald
chill.
J. Trump. You're behind the.
Gold shift. Oh yeah, there you go. All right. Let's go to gold real quick while we wait. Do I want to go to gold yet? Still want that high or low, right? Low or high, sorry. I do this every fucking day. Only because it took a lot of candles. So if we can get on like up to like 468.6, then I would be glad to short that. We'll keep an eye on it. And thanks for the warning, yogurt. Love it. Love it. I mean, we love each other. Why are you adding yourself? Knowing like the way price action's been working, what if it doesn't pull back? All right, I think it's lagging. Okay, thank you for the lag. Man, what the fuck are you doing? NASDAQ, you piece of shit. Who does this? Rips down, goes sideways, and now it's just doing what? $300 people in here. Hit that fucking follow button. Yes, I'm red on the day, you motherfuckers. Like, price is just not working today. Alright, we're getting this lower high here. Switching over to gold. Yes, my NASDAQ is still open.
Daddy? Is that you?
Username 3333333. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Do we get in now? Mr. Paul. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna go in 2 now. Lower high hasn't stuck yet, but we could hold a little bit on 2 micros. Like longs and MNQ. Opposite of what I'm doing. Like, look at this clutter here. Like, fucking fall. But gold, I'm shorting. We do have a fucking little order block here, but I like to go to the closest one to it. Honestly, if we fall through, I've been trying to find the closest one to the area, and this is it right here. So I'm gonna bank on that. 5 minute. See. 5 minute, we got one right here. And then as soon as that lower high sticks, I'm probably gonna add more. I don't want to add more now.
CNBC, citing
I'm in
people
4.
familiar, says Trump could name a new Fed chair by the first week of January.
The NASDAQ just fall, bro. Fuck you! Holy fuck! You gotta be kidding me! This is crazy. We're still good, but like, what the fuck? What's going on? I mean, the higher low did not stick yet, but maybe I got a little ahead of myself. Got a cluster of fucking order blocks here. We wiped them all out. Fucking crazy. It might just not be working, guys, and we'll have to just chill after this. I just can't believe. Look at this fucking NASDAQ. Like, what are you doing with your life? Fuck you, gold. That really hurt. This is really hurting me. Really hurting me. Sad face. How I feel. I know, Tweak. That's what I'm like looking at too. I'm like, fuck. You know damn well as soon as we get out of this is ripping down. But it's like, we can't afford to take that chance. Fuck you. That's a 5-minute time frame. It doesn't always rip up, but if it does, I'm fucked. Let's go to MNQ real quick. Gold might fall. Looks like it's just liquidity grabbing a little more. Fuck you, man. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to put buy orders here at the 4. Alright, we're done. About to get popped right now. NASDAQ is a loss. I'm just gonna turn that off because it rips down now. I'm gonna freak out. I'm down 700 on each account right now. So if this doesn't work, we're gonna sit on your hands, guys. Not working. And what are we doing? We're back in the orb, right? It's just like last week. The X of Death, our favorite! Man, did we just log it at this point? Like, that's how I feel right now. I'm going up to 8, but I'm gonna watch it closely. I feel like the opposite works today right now.
Daddy? Is that you?
Money. Welcome to the soul, Daddy.
You guys kind of agree? Like, it's just not. It's just grinding slowly in one direction. Well, not this one. This one wanted to say "fuck you." Crazy. I'm glad I closed it though, right? Still moving up.
The Fed bids for 3-month bills total $4 billion and 6-month bills total $3.5 billion.
Come on, give me one of those spike up candles that you just did before 10 times. I'm okay with this direction right here at the 61. And then we'll see if it wants to go to 111. Don't start, James.
According to UZ stat data, Uzbekistan did not export gold last month.
Sorry, I had a phone call. Yeah, I'm glad I dropped that too. What did Nasdaq doing? Still going, okay. Like I feel way better about myself when it does keep going in the direction. Because I'm like, I saved myself money. But it sucks to be wrong, period. We're at the 50 right now. Most likely we're gonna get to that 61.
Daddy? Is that you?
Mr. Shock, welcome. Oh, Daddy.
Want to trade my yin yang tic tac 300 millisecond my user? What? What?
In 10 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, the US is due to sell $86 billion in 3-month bills. The prior high yield was 3.56%, and the prior bid to cover was 2.68. The US is also due to sell $77 billion in 6-month bills, with a prior high yield of 3.495% and a prior bid to cover of 2.84.
So what made me get in this?
You're
X of
behind
death.
the markets.
Shut the
If you're
fuck
a real day trader,
X of death for my indicator, meaning that the momentum of the short is completely died. Dead. With a buy signal and bouncing off the cloud. And our reversals are not working at all. Long. That's how I came to this conclusion of going long with gold. I was short. I lost $300 on it. We are now going upwards. We're at that 50 right now. I'm looking for the 61s. There you go. There you go. Last pass at 50. Very good. Very good. All wins. What's up, man? Need to bounce off this fair value gap. Very good, very good. Put into the order block. Man, MNQ is very hard to trade. You guys agree? Like, if you guys want, when it comes back down here, we could maybe long it again. 650s. That's if it comes down. It is very far away from the 5. I'm just realizing that now. We should rip up into 61. M&Q crushed me too, bro. We need this to make another higher high here. Yeah, me too.
Axios says Denmark summons US ambassador.
Just trying to keep damage control now, basically.
In 5 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, the US is due to sell $86 billion in 3-month bills. The prior high yield was 3.56%, and the prior bid to cover was 2.68%. The US is also due to sell $77 billion in 6-month bills, with a prior high yield of 3.495% and a prior bid to cover of 2.84%.
Me too.
Some more colour from Axios as they say the US ambassador summoned over Trump's Greenland push. So for some context here, Trump did appoint a new Greenland envoy, which drew an angry response from Denmark, as Trump's new special envoy said that Greenland should be part of the US. Since then, we had EC President von der Leyen saying that they stand in full solidarity with Denmark, and now we're seeing here again from Axios as Denmark summons the US ambassador.
Fucking, this sucks dick, guys. Holy shit. Got the 5-minute and maybe he wants to touch the cookie. Andrew, if you're scamming at all, I'm gonna fucking boot you, bruh.
So we have posted the article by Axios on the feed for those interested.
Daddy doesn't play. You wanna go in the...
You wanna go in the fucking dungeon? I'll fucking put you in there.
Roy, I'm long on gold, but you know, it's a little rough today. Yeah, it's not doing shit, Web. If we recover here, then it's just playing games. NASDAQ sideways again. Rips up sideways. Hoping it's something like this. You know, we move sideways and then it rips up finally. But I'm not sure.
We are shortly expecting the results of both the US 3 and 6-month bill auctions.
We need this to make a higher high now. We do not want this lower high to stick. If this lower high sticks, then we're fucked again.
According to FAS News, ECB Schnabel says one should not expect a rate hike at present or in the foreseeable future.
Daddy? Is that you?
Tachi. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
There you go, higher high. Perfect. That's all we needed. Momentum is still confirmed.
Daddy? Is that you?
And it looks like we're still maybe trying to see this divergence here. It looks like it wants to go back up, so I think we're going to continue up for a bit. I still want to lock in some of this though, so I'm going to take out a lot right here.
ECB Schnabel says, I just believe there are more inflationary than disinflationary forces at work now.
Ripper. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Are we really just going to stay right here? Sorry, I'm getting
US
messages.
3-month bill high yield 3.56%, 3.56%, with a bid to cover of 2.86, 2.86. The US sold $86 billion in 3-month bills and awarded 45.69% of bids at high. 6-month high rate 3.485%, 3.485%, with a bid to cover of 3.18, 3.18. The US selling 77 billion and awarding 44.33% of bids at high.
I'd be so fucking pissed off if this doesn't go up. I can't catch a break, guys. I can't catch a fucking break. 78 right here needs to hold. If it breaks this low, then we're fucked. $500 just out the door again. Insane, 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 insane. I mean, right on the cookie again.
ECB
Maybe
Schnabel
we'll
says
get
at
lucky.
some point we will need to increase rates again, but not in the foreseeable future.
This is crazy. $500 just fucking erased like that. That sucks. Yeah, I was just literally like a quarter point away. Doesn't fill and just rips down. Yeah, M&Q is beating me up too. Don't worry. Not just you. The 5 minutes bouncing. Could we risk it going long here? We could. But I don't know yet. Still feel like it's a gamble. We're down $700 on each account. Ah! I don't even feel like I'm trading that crazy either, which is insane. This is gonna piss me off.
CIBC says Canadian consumer spending is holding up better after early 2025 uncertainty. So that's Canadian consumer spending still cautious despite improvements throughout 2025.
Yeah, this sucks. This goes up.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. Your
MNQ? Shorting? I don't fucking know, man. Fucking gold. Fucking gold.
Canadian consumer is seen more stable heading into 2026, according to CIBC economist Schenfeld.
I'm gonna try to scalp this a little bit. The momentum looks insane right now again. But I'm gonna scalp this one. I don't wanna just needs to make a higher high now. Maybe we'll get to my original target again. Please be careful copy trading me here. I am getting a little aggressive right now. Eight might be too aggressive in this market. I mean, if this lower high sticks, then it's a downtrend too. Nasdaq does look a little short. If it goes below 691s, it should fall.
Voice news disconnected.
Oh my god, bro. I can't pick nothing right today. I would say if it breaks this higher low here, then you can get a downtrend on MNQ. But until then, it's gonna probably be sloppy as fuck. And again, we're above. Gold's above the orb, so Nasdaq's in the orb. See, like, this look bullish as fuck. And this denial here is telling me that there's like shit fucking around. We might have to just stop trading. You have an order block here, so I'm gonna probably lower. I'll hover over this closed position.
Daddy? Is that you?
Well done, Ma. Welcome,
Daddy?
Soul Daddy.
Is that you?
Solani, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
And this thing is not holding up, guys. It's not fucking doing anything. $400 people in here, hit that follow button. Yes, I'm red on the day. Sucks. The price action today is I actually feel like it's so, the entries are so easy, but none of them are working. They're not following through, so we might have to just chill for a bit. Not easy at all today. See how we're getting a higher low here again, so this is very confusing. Like every time I'm in a position, it goes sideways right after. And then it just ends up fucking me. I really wish we took the profit right here in the first trade. That would have been an awesome trade. Literally missed us by 0.2. Thank you, gold. Thank you. Come on, bitch. Oh my god. Hey, IO, go fucking suck a dick. Sorry, he's trying to sell stuff in here. Dude, I can't get a break. Alright, I'm done. I'm done trading! Lower high confirmed. Lower low. If it breaks this, we should go down more. Higher low was broken on the NASDAQ. Alright, last trade on MNQ.
ECB Schnabel says, I didn't say rates should be raised. No rate hikes are expected for the foreseeable. Rates will probably stay stable for quite some time.
Last trade, last trade. Then I think I'm done because we are bleeding. We are bleeding. This should go down. Around London 50% orb. Andrew, you're getting fucking blocked, brother. This should break another low and come down. Should. Let me repeat that. Should. We need to make another lower low. I kind of want to go another 4, to be honest with you, and take out 5 at the 0.6 Fibonacci extension. I don't know, nothing's really working, Brady. If this doesn't work, then I'm done for the, at least a... Fuck me in the ass, guys. Apparently nothing is working right now. So, I keep saying that, so we're gonna have to get off in a bit. Am I crazy? I'm not crazy. Bro. What is the deal? Alright, guys. I am done for the day. At least for the morning time. This is not working out. I don't know. I'm gonna go in my hot tub for a bit. Think about life. And trading. Oh, I'm such a loser! Bro, what the fuck is up? What's up with this shit? Crazy.
Voice news disconnected.
Am I breaking my rules? I don't think I really am breaking my rules. I am sizing a little bit too high at the end here. And it's just supposed to scalp it, right? But even those scalps were not even going... I was actually going to just scalp out a little bit. And it's not going in my direction at all. So that's the only thing I really broke today was the sizing. Yeah, but I'm trading different... I wasn't trading that before. Higher, low, lower, high. Yes, it went into gray. But, no, I really think that the follow through is just not working. The follow through is just not working today. Maybe it'll be different in the afternoon. But this is shit. I'll try to trade from when I'm in my hot tub, just doing like 1 micros. See if we can get some of it back. I probably need to just trade 1 micro period until we can start getting better markets. Because these markets are fucking hard to trade. It is not easy to trade these markets lately. We're talking about like 2 months of just seriously. I thought under Trump it would be a lot easier, but the fighting that they're doing against him is not making the trading easy at all. Like at all. Well, maybe we'll wait for a soul collector later, and then I'll let you guys know on Discord, and I'll be on for Power Hour. So I just think I need to get off because I'm bleeding my accounts right now. A little bleed.
Daddy? Is that you?
Web3 mindset, welcome, old daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Hasn't been fun lately, has it? At all. Right? Honestly, Sleepy Joe was a lot easier. But we gotta look at like our total spending at home. Like my bills have finally stopped raising at least. Knock on wood. Because I was getting fucking smacked. I was getting smacked with bills at home. My utilities, just for electric and gas, I'm probably $1,100 a month. That's insane. Just gas and electric, $1,100 a month. That's my average. Now it looks like real shit. Look, we're in the orb on NASDAQ. Lower lows aren't holding. Lower highs aren't holding. Gold, we missed a fucking banger. You spend the winter at 75 and summer 150? I fucking wish. Each month is different. I'm spending like 500 in electric. And then, depends on how cold it is. I'm up to like fucking like 800 bucks sometimes just in gas. Jealous. What, for gold? I plan on fucking moving out of this state. I don't know why the fuck I'm even here. So lately, let's talk about like money management here. So lately in these markets, I think we need to stick with one micro until we can prove that it's something better is happening in life here, because it's not fun going up and down 9K in one day. I'm not trading anything big. This is futures, but it's not working today. We need to wait. Yeah, futures. NASDAQ and gold. Yeah, we'll be back on for power hour, guys. Maybe a little bit earlier if volume and stuff starts picking up. I'll get on earlier, but there's no sense of trading this crap. And if you had to gamble, like, this would be a great short. Let's see if that even works. But on that, I'll be back on, and I'll let you guys know in Discord when I'm gonna be hopping back on, okay? But I will be back on for Power Hour. Other than that,
Hit that follow button. Holy versus two.
also Apex, Lucid. I'm looking for Tradeify and Alpha Futures to get my own personal one, but Apex and Lucid I've been using. Well, not trying. I really like Apex. Lucid I'm more trying. Good so far. And I'm reading online that their payouts are super fast. If you guys want the latest and greatest discounts, code BULLY, BULLY, all caps. Latest and greatest discounts. Other than that, I will be back on in a little bit. Talk to you guys later.
Daddy, chill.